What's up, Glam Fam? So, you see these bags under my eyes? Guess what time I got home last night? 10? No. Guess again. Yeah, you guessed it, midnight. And I woke up about 6:30 this morning, so I have my coffee. I've been trying to cut back on coffee, but I need this right now. You have no idea. We are gonna do something super exciting, and even though I'm totally in need of sleep, I had to get this up ASAP. Haven't seen it yet, I suggest you see this video. It's by Nikkitutorials. I'm sure you guys all know her. She did a extreme summer glam transformation by Nikkitutorials. I'm sure you guys all know her.
It's me, powder me. So without any further ado, let's get this summer transformation started. Also ready. That, guys, concludes this summer makeup transformation.
Can we just take a second to look at this face right now? She did a beautiful fiery lip summer tutorial. She went from drab to fab, but she used some expensive products. I did the list total, and I would have had to go out to buy the things. It would have cost me about $250 roughly to do that look today. So I thought, I gotta get this up. I gotta get this look because the look itself is stunning. And I thought, how can I do that? And then I figured I'll make a budget-friendly option or alternative for y'all. And for me too, because I wanted to rock that look so bad after I saw the video, I couldn't wait. So get your coffee, sit back, relax, and if you wanna see me do this summer transformation that Nikkitutorials did while saving money on makeup. But then I get out of Sephora, my husband looks at the bank statement, and he's like, so, in order to save my marriage, we are going to jump in this ballin' on a budget, glam summer transformation, following how Nikki did it, okay? If you guys are interested in doing it with me, I don't want to be this close, but I figured the best way to, oh, look at this. Okay, so let's fix this face up fast. Luminous spray. It almost had like glitter in it, and I want to get my hands on that, trust me. But today, since this is the only spray I have left, we're gonna use this. This is the Bedesco skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It's gonna do the same effect. It's gonna get you luminous and looking very beautiful, so don't stress. We're also gonna use it after. But this takes away dry skin, gives a shine to the skin, you see. Instead of the Tashe clean slate that she used, we're going in with, this is not drugstore. This is not drugstore. We gotta get a drugstore. So I'm going in with the Blur and Illuminate, since she was all about this dewy skin focus. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Blur and Illuminate primer. I'm just gonna put it right here, because that Tatcha primer is like $52. It might even be $58. I got it as a sample one time. Great stuff, trust me, but all right. In with the Maybelline Fit Me, I'm in the shade 332. She went in with the Maybelline Superstay, so that wasn't such an expensive option, but I don't have the Superstay. Actually, funny story about the Superstay. No shade Maybelline, because this is Maybelline as well, but oh my gosh, we can ask my mother about that. Let's just say I was making America great again. 39 brush and stipple it in the skin. And Nikki goes all over her lips. I usually don't do that. But since we're following a Nikki tutorial, we're gonna do what she does. Look at the good coverage I have already, because my face was looking rough. Anybody going on vacation this summer? Me, you know what I'm doing? I take care of the vacationers by working at Disney. My mom just visited. She came to Daytona from New Jersey, and that's a vacation for me. Any chance that I can see my mother makes life worth living. Love you, Mom. You know why I'm using this NARS mirror? Because Nikki was using a NARS mirror in her video. So.
Also ready.
Okay, that gave a nice finish, didn't it? You know it does look good. You know. And so it doesn't budge with the Coty Airspun. Saving coin is always nice. I don't mind spending coin on makeup, though. I love makeup. Tell you one thing, if somebody said if I wanted cash or makeup, I'd definitely say makeup. That's a faux show. We can even lightly go over our eyebrows to give them some extra staying powder. Power. Here's where the fun part. The eyes she did were really super easy. She used the MAC Paint Turley Paint Pot, I think, as her base, but I am using the e.l.f. glitter glue primer. And the reason why is because we're going to be throwing some glitter on these lids. It's going to leave a nice tacky base. The first thing I'm going in with is this Nomad Cosmetics. I got this from Ipsy, but you can buy it on Ipsy.com for like $5.95. And I'm going into this color. She used the Rihanna Sandcastle highlighter. Look at this. This is literally the same color. Let me swatch it for you guys. Hello. Luxie brush. I'm going to take the blendy side. And we are going to put this all over our lid. Do you see that pigment? Like, how beautiful is that? And her exact words were a shimmer in the crease. And that's what we're doing. We are putting a shimmer in the crease. We're done with that, but she even said in the video, and just like me, she was like reading my mind.
I want to take it to the extreme. So this is where this little shadow comes in from Bobbi Brown. This is called a Luxe eyeshadow in the color Moonstone. This applied with a damp finger to the center of the lid, going all the way up to the brow, will give you that wet sheen.
There's got to be more shine. Bobbi Brown Moonstone pigment. I don't have the Bobbi Brown Moonstone pigment, so we are going to use this. Look at that. Look at that. Is that not the most beautiful? I'm telling you, like I said in my Ipsy video, this does not do it justice. The camera does not do it justice. Oh, that just took that up, and she brought it from the middle lid up the middle to the brow bone. I mean, are you living for this? Because I am living for this. I can't even continue. I gotta stop. I gotta stop right now. Because I think my heart just might have stopped, and I'm not even being extra. Okay, since I'm gonna keep going on E36, if you don't have it, get it. It's cheap. You can get it at Ulta now. So you don't even have to wait 14 days for it to come in the mail. It's a necessary brush. It's a must-have. You have to have it. There's no question about it. We're going to go in there, and we're just going to go towards the lower lash line. Just a little. Just a little. We're not doing nothing crazy. With the Match Perfection concealer, and I'm going to go a little bit lower than my eye because I had added a lower lash. Need some energy to blend in this concealer. You already know. And we're just going to... I want to bring this out until later because this is going to be the highlighter that we're using. But we're going in with the Physician Formula Butter Highlight. These are new at the drugstore. They're creamy as can be. They have lots of glitter in them. They keep you looking small brush. Put some right there. And we're going to put that on the inner. Oh my gosh. Can you deal with that right now? If you don't have this, get this. A smidge. Because we already have that beautiful color in there. So just a smidge. Do her concealer, she used, what is that expensive powder called? I really want to get the name of it so I can say it. Well, we're going to use this. It's a highlighter. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter, but we're going to use it as an under eye concealer. I mean, an under eye powder today. Do you just see this? Do you just see this right now? And then she put it right here to put the light focus right here. It was ambient lighting powder. That's what it's called. The ambient lighting powder. So since we don't have $62, and then we're going to take a big fluffy brush just to make sure that it's not so. The Rimmel Natural Bronzer. She used a MAC bronzer. I don't have it. She used a highlighting brush to bronze and to put on her blush. So we're going to do that. And her bronzer didn't show up a lot. So that's why I chose a light drugstore bronzer. And then she went down the sides of her nose. She didn't contour. She just went down the sides of her nose to give it a little sun. So we're done with that. We're moving right along. Break on our budget thing, but I realized that I have the Revalon photoready Eye Art Glitter. You don't even need to prep with this. And she put it right in the middle of the lid, but she used the diamond dust. I try not to use drugstore mascara. I've done it in videos and I end up getting like eye irritation. So unfortunately, I have to go in with the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is not only the mascara I'm using today, this is my favorite mascara of all time. She also applied her blush. It was the MAC Magenta or Mandarin, MAC Mandarin. I don't have a mandarin color blush, so I'm going into this Lychee and Gold Seraphine blush. I'm putting it on my thing, and she went like this with a highlighting brush. And she went over her nose to give her that sun-kissed look. You know, when you go to the beach, you have a little bit of a burn. He also drew faux freckles. To stay true to it, I should do it for you guys, but I hate faux freckles. Honey pencil. And that way it'll stay drugstore. See that fine tip? I'm just gonna draw on some freckles. This looks, I can't believe I'm gonna go out in public like this. It's gonna look like I have clogged pores and not freckles. I'm gonna go over them with a big powder brush. Bronzer, that'll soften them up a little bit, make them look not that. Going in with the Maybelline Superstay Heroine color. If you don't have this color for summer, you need to get it. This is the tip. This is going to bring fire to this makeup look. I want to do my husband, now that I'm thinking of ideas, I want to do a my husband picks out my makeup, because my husband hates everything about makeup. And I just want him to pick my look and see what he would pick. $100 says it'll be all drugstore. I think high-end cosmetics him, cringe him. Highlighter while we're waiting. So I'm going in with my Morphe 510 brush. The other one was 501. This one's 510. And we are going into that Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. She used an Ofra. It had the same look. Okay, can we just... Oh. See what I mean? Like, you need... And just to top it all off, this smells like straight up coconuts. But, like, not that annoying chemical coconut. Like, straight off the beach coconut. And it's literally like a freaking gel consistency. I was thinking that I was gonna have to use my Too Faced Gold, but then that wouldn't be drugstore and it wouldn't be affordable. So I have this option, because she put on top of this very bright corally lip, she put a gold overlay by Urban Decay. We can use this one, which I got, or TJ Maxx, which is very affordable, or we can use Colourpop in the color PYT. I don't even know if they still make this anymore. If they don't, I apologize. I think that the PYT is more, I can't tell. Let's just try. Yup, the PYT is going to be the winner. $6. Heck not, right? So crazy. Is that like a coin just dropped on my lip? This is literally a dupe for Kat Von D's Gold School. We just take a moment to look at the way let's think back to the beginning of the video, the way I looked. Yeah, this makeup tutorial is pretty fire. Pretty fire. Okay, that's it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. And just keep rocking your makeup. Be your best you. I love you. Peace. Hope you enjoyed. I'm out.